Welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you guys can see, we have the Sierra AT4 in front of us here with the newly put on wheels and tires. And we're gonna talk about what else we have done to our Sierra AT4. And as you guys have seen by the title, you probably already know what we're referring to. So let's take a look here at the suspension aspect. So first of all, before we take a look, I'll let you guys know it is a ReadyLift kit. So pretty much what we've done is a 3-inch block in the back instead of a 2. And then we have a 2-inch block added in the front. So as you guys can see from the side angle, it pretty much leveled the truck out very nice. Obviously not perfectly level, but wow, it just looks so much better from this angle here, from the side angle. And as you're driving toward this truck, you'll really notice that. One thing I've noticed is you guys have seen that I still don't have running boards on the truck, which are coming in a video very soon. So stay tuned for those. But I don't have running boards on the truck yet. So you can really notice that difference when you lift it up the front, I guess, and the rear. It's a lot harder to get into, and I'm not a small guy. It's still harder to get into, but let's get into kind of what the ReadyLift kit looks like. Obviously, you won't really see it, but you can see there we have the ReadyLift components in on the front, which obviously it just says ReadyLift. But I guess you will notice it if you're looking for it, but not many people just look in the wheel wells. And then the back, it'll be pretty much impossible to see the blocks. But the truck just looks 10 times better. And if you guys are looking for a lift kit that's subtle, it's not obviously a 6-inch lift or anything crazy. If you guys are looking for that subtle lift kit, I would highly recommend the ReadyLift. We're not sponsored or anything, but I would highly recommend just looking into it and seeing if you like it. Because if you do throw it on with the 285 60 20s that I do, you will achieve this look here, which, you know, I just feel like it's pretty perfect in my opinion. Obviously, some people are going to disagree, but I really enjoy how this truck looks now with everything together, wheels and tires, as well as the ReadyLift, which makes a huge difference. Because if you just throw wheels and tires, the truck is still not going to be perfectly level or level at all in that aspect. So I would highly recommend throwing on some sort of lift or leveling kit. When you do wheels and tires, do that kit first and then do your wheels and tires. But the truck looks 10 times better now with that ReadyLift and these Firestone Destination XTs, the fast HD tracks wheels that are 20 by 10. And if you guys didn't see the other video, again, these tires are about a 34, but they're 285 60 20, and obviously an XT tire. But the truck looks so much better from this angle, guys. Let us know what you think in the comments below of how the truck looks, because we think it looks incredible. But that'll pretty much just wrap up this video, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please drop a like. Also comment down below on what you think of this whole build so far, the ReadyLift kit, the wheels and tires. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.